Hello children, I am your maths teacher. So, which lesson were we learning? Operations on fractions, right? And last day we did practice set 11. Question number 1, that is, what fraction do point A and B show on the number line, right? In that question, 1, 2, 3 is already done, right? Now let us go to the next question. What is that? Show the following fractions on the number line. Now they have given 3 set of fractions, that is 3 by 5, 6 by 5, and this is a mixed number 2, 3 by 5. So all these 3 you have to show on the number line. So I have drawn a number line here, and see here what is the denominator? 5. Here it's 5. Here it's 5. So all the 3 numbers are having 5 as the denominator. So what we have to do is, first we have to divide 0 to 1 into 5 parts. For that, what will you do? Draw small separations. 1, 2, 3, 4 separations. If you draw, you will get 0 to 1 will be divided into 5 parts. Same way, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So now from 0 to 3 I have drawn. That is enough for this question. Okay, so this way we will divide and go in the number line. Now first we have to show 3 by 5. So that means 3 portion of the 5. That is 1, 2, 3 portion. This will be 3 by 5. Okay, you can show it down here also. This is 3 by 5. Fraction 3 by 5 is this point. Next is 6 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to count, and this will be what? 6 by 5. Okay. See, next one. 2, 3 by 5. 2, 3 by 5 means 2 is the number. Means after 2, a 3 by 5. This is 2. Then a 3 by 5 means 1, 2, 3. So this will be 2, 3 by 5. So this is how what you show these 3. This is these 2 fractions and a mixed fraction mixed number on the number line. Okay. So this is how you do. Now let us go to the next question. Now let us go to the second question. These are the set of fractions given: 3 by 4, 5 by 4 and 2, 1 by 4. Okay. So here all the denominators are what? 4 here, 4, 4. So what will you do? Same way as we did for the first question. This we have to divide into 4 parts. For that you will draw 3 small lines like this between 0 and 1. Then it will be divided into 4 parts. See, you will count and see, you will get it. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Same way you will draw 3 lines here. This will be divided into 4 parts. Here also 1, 2, 3. This will be divided into 4 parts. Now we have to show 3 by 4, right? Means 3 out of 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So this will be 3 by 4. The fraction 3 by 4. Next is 5 by 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point will be 5 by 4. Next is 2, 1 by 4. That is a mixed number. So this is 2, right? After 2, a 1 by 4. This is 2 and a 1 by 4 means 1. Right? So here it will be 2, 1 by 4. Okay, so this is how you represent the fractions on the number line. Okay, clear? Now let us learn the next topic. Okay. Now next topic is multiplication of fractions. Okay, we are learning multiplication of fractions. Now here there are 2 fractions, 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. We are multiplying, that is 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. Now let me show you in this. How will you show that multiplication? Now first we will show this fraction 3 by 5 in this. This is a big rectangle, it is divided into 5 parts. Why? The fraction is having denominator 5. Now how will you show 3 by 5? Okay, 3 out of 5. So these 3 we will what? Shade it like this. Okay, draw slanting line. See. Okay, so this is 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half, right? 1 by 2 represents half. Okay, now this is the second half, right? This is the second half. This is 1, this is 2. Now this portion we are going to give a different shape. This has been this side slanting, right? Now we'll do a different shading like this, opposite, like this. Okay. We are drawing slanting lines like this. Okay. Understood? Now in this diagram, these 3 means which is having both slanting lines together, that is this way and this way, like checks. Okay, these 3 will be the answer to this multiplication. What is that? That is, you are multiplying 3 by 5 by half. So this is what you will get. What is this? 3 out of how many portions are there? First there were only 5 portions. Now see how many portions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this whole triangle, rectangle had been divided into 10 parts now. First it was 5, now it has changed to 10. And how much of the 10 is this? 1, 2, 3 parts. So how will you write that? 3 out of 10. So when you divide 3 by 5 into half, you will get 3 means when you multiply 3 by 5 into half, means when you multiply 3 by 5 into 1 by 2, you will get what? 3 by 10. Okay. So this is how you show in the diagram. Okay. But in reality, how will you show it? When you multiply 2 fractions, you will multiply the numerator and write as the numerator, multiply the denominator and write as the denominator. How? 3 into 1, what? 3. And 5 into 2 is 10. Okay. So this is the answer. So when you are given a question, you will do this way. You don't have to draw the line. So how? You get it as 3 by 10 in a diagram, as a diagram. Visually I have shown it this way. Okay. But when you are asked a question, for the practice, you will have to do like this. Okay. This is how you. So when you are given 2 fractions, you will multiply the numerator and the denominator and write the multiplication of when you multiply 2 numerators, the answer you get will be the numerator of the answer. Okay. And 5 into 2 means the multiplication. The answer you get as for the denominator will be the denominator. So for the total answer, the multiplication of the numerators will be the numerator and the denominator will be the denominator. Okay. So this is how you will do multiplication. So this in a diagram way we have shown it this way. Okay. So this is how you do, means when you multiply 2 fractions, you will multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators, and the answer will be having, when you multiply numerators, the answer you get will be the numerator of the answer and the denominator will be the denominator. So this will be the final answer. Okay.